We are at Ford's Garage. This is a restaurant, if you can't tell. So this Ford restaurant has not been open very long, and it's very popular. Right now we have a 45-minute to an hour wait, but then again there are 10 of us. So hopefully this is worth it. Until then, I don't know. We might go do something else until it's our time. But we are going to definitely document eating here and let you guys know how our experience is.
Not letting it upset the functioning of their body and mind. It relaxes you, makes you want to continue. I just had one. This helps make a gathering.
Thank you. We are sitting down now. Wonderful glare here from the sun. I'm in the right spot for filming. There you go.
No, I didn't.
Got our washcloth napkins here. We got our food.
Oh, yeah.
How's it tasting, Landon? I love it. What do you think, Colin? You like it? Is it good, Colin? Everyone else liking theirs? All right. Trevor, you like it? It is delicious. I got the chicken strips and french fries, and I am liking it. Oh, bye, Colin. We love you.
Yeah.
Glad we got to come out and eat here. Everybody like it?
Yeah.
Good. Did you like it?
Linda, do you
Good
like
deal.
it?
Was it worth it?
I'll be back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Look at you looking all
Want your
handsome.
birthday dinner?
I was gonna have my birthday dinner here with all of you.
Sis.
Everybody go
We're ringing that bell.
Stop. Terry.
That's okay. Oh gosh. Eva Lynn's got to do it.
Okay, no, it's gotta be a synchronized jump. Everybody get on one side. Get on one side. Okay. One. Hold on, half off. 1, 2, 3.
What'd you expect?
Colin figured out how to do it.
Bye.